Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video, I'll show you how to use smart keyword filters on TikTok in 2025 to block videos with words or hashtags you don't want to see. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner, and then select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on Content Preferences. Here, you'll see an option called Filter Keywords. Go ahead and tap it. This feature lets you add words, phrases, or hashtags that you don't want showing up in your feed. Just tap Add Keywords, type the word you want to filter, and then confirm. You can even choose whether TikTok should hide content with these keywords and captions, hashtags, or comments. Once you save, TikTok will automatically filter out videos containing those words, making your feed cleaner and more personalized. And that's it. That's how you set up and use smart keyword filters on TikTok in 2025. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. **